Hi, I'm Mike from Detroit Sponge. I'm going to walk you through a video of how to assemble your Gardiner water-fed pole. It'd be great if you want to check out our other video, the unboxing video, which shows what actually comes in the kit. And now we're going to go through the details of how to assemble everything and get it ready to use. The first fitting that I'll say to attach is this one that makes the transition from the size of the pole hose to the garden hose. The important part with this fitting is to make sure that the hose goes all the way in. Feels like it goes in, but it's really not all the way in. Make sure you give it that extra push. That really latches it in. This is a push fit fitting. So to release it, all you do is pinch that collar down and the hose will pop out. So again, push it in, push it all the way in. This is a standard size male garden hose quick connect. We send a fitting with an on-off valve that this will easily, securely snap into. Again, snap is not all the way in. You need to make sure it's pushed all the way in. Gives you an on-off valve with a connection on this side that will accept the male thread of a garden hose. The other end of your hose, you're going to take and insert into the end of the pole. We've already done that ahead of the video here. So when it sticks out the top, it's going to look like this. And from here we're going to make all the connections to the rest of the pole. The first set that you'll have will be this orange hose with the quick connect union fitting on there. Again, slip it inside, but make sure that this actually slips all the way down. To release them, all you do is pinch that collar and it pulls off. But this, make sure you push it all the way in to make sure it's secure. This will then slip into the end of the pole. The orange hose is what gets inserted into the gooseneck. Goes up through the gooseneck and will connect to your water brush hose fittings. Same deal, pushes on, make sure that's all the way on there. This is included as a red retention clip just in case you bump a tree branch or whatever and that hose wants to pop out of there. This will make it really difficult for that to happen. The other end of the hoses will attach to the new capsule design on the Gardiner water-fed brushes. Same deal, push it in, and this will quickly attach easily to the gooseneck that's here. This is a square lock fitting. It can be attached two ways. It can be attached this way, or it can be rotated 90 degrees if you ever need that brush to be at a different angle. Attaches. This is an adjustable gooseneck, so you can adjust this for the angle of the work that you're working on. And then this stem portion of this gooseneck will insert into the end of the pole and secure into place. One of the other benefits of this orange hose is between jobs, when you want to take the brush head off of the poles for easier storage, you simply remove the stem fitting out of the pole, disconnect this fitting, and you're able to store your pole separate from your brush. Hope you enjoy your new Gardiner water-fed pole. Feel free to follow us on Instagram and on YouTube to see more videos. Thank you very much.